Are you kayaking? You kayaking? Yeah, Emmy, hurry! Paddle down the river! Emmy, grab your paddle and paddle! Hurry!
No day is ever complete without some sort of major accident.
Yeah, go find ammo and then...
But the epicness of that.
We're supportive.
She was so brave. No tears.
Not really.
No crying. She just went, oh,
We're
supportive.
Ow!
We get a little.
Oh. Ow, ow.
No cameras, please.
Dr. Dan, what's the prognosis?
Amputation.
Yeah, that's what I thought. What are you doing today, you crazy loon?
Kayaking Shoshone. First one going down Shoshone.
Yep. First one on Shoshone. Shoshone. Who has the best role in the whole family?
Me. There's your rockstar too.
Put his finger.
Hot 100.5 Aspens KPHP.
Stupid.
Oh, I was good at that. I got it perfect. I was like, all things I know right now.
There you go.
I ain't cut out to climb highline poles, but I'm pretty good at drinking beer. The knack for making motors crank, no, but I'm pretty good.
If we all die,
Did anybody get my spray skirt? Because I'm
What's worse? Okay, so off to do my third attempt at Shoshone this season. I've had no successful run on Shoshone yet this year. Maneater at the bottom is kind of a brutal little hole that I got sucked into and eaten alive at 14,000. Yeah, I did. At 14.
that's the last wave.
I know. At 14,000.
You didn't get hit by the last wave. That was the first rapid you bailed on.
That was the second time I attempted it. The first time I attempted it, I got down the whole thing. It was 14,500 CFS, and I got eaten. Totally eaten. Luckily, it was the last rapid of the whole run. So I'm going to try this yet again. Third try, third time's a charm, right? Brody, where's the love?
Get you on the paddle, Mom.
Oh, what a great kid I've got. Here come my babies! Woo! Oh yeah, combat rolls, 2 of them. Yes. Nice roll, Dally! Nice roll, Kenny!
Nice job! Okay, over here.
I'm running to keep up with them. It's hard work carrying a baby. Uh-oh. Nice combat roll, Kenny. Uh-oh, Dally roll. Shit. Holy cow! Epic! Oh my gosh, I so hope I got Dally rolling over that rock. Holy cow. I was watching him and I have a feeling I had the camera way up. Oh, that was awesome. I'm so proud of him. So proud of him. This isn't an easy stretch of river. You know, that was kind of, it's called the S-turn. He's 8. Hit it awesome. And Kenny logged yet another combat roll. That's 2 for him. Whoop, whoop. Oh, Brody's gonna surf it. Ah. Nope. Woo! Brady's gonna surf it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Lots of rocks. Boulder Garden, this is Tombstone. Here they come. Woo! They grounded it. And this is Man-Eater. Not so bad now. Beginning of the season, you get eaten in here. Like literally taken up. This is by far the hardest stretch. Come on, Dowd. Come on, Kenny. Follow Daddy. Woo! Nice! Shit. Nice work, Kenny! Woo! This hole. Oh yeah! Woo! No words can describe how freaking proud I am of my boys. Kenny?
Careful, Kenny. There's a rock right there.
Yeah.
Keep doing it, Brody.
Okay. Let me see your bruise. Smashed a rock on what? Gunny Canyon?
Yeah, Gunny Gorge.
Gunny Gorge.
Last rapid. Grand finale. Oh, I don't have my paddle. Oh! I lost it. It's fun paddling with your friends.
I'm moving.
Yeah! What? Waiting forever. Now storm is rolling in. It's been too long.
Storm is coming. It's almost Giannis now. Waiting for Susie to come back with the van.